Okay, so I'm doing my first video on my new phone. I had to upgrade my Note 8 to a Note 10 in order to use Samsung DeX in a proper manner in the Humvee. There's no way around it. And so, anyways, so now I got a Note 10. And yeah, so this right here, 256 megabyte SD card, and I got this little guy for my drone. So I got a Mavic Air 2 a few days ago from the Apple Store, and I got that so I could take videos of the Humvee while I'm building it. Absolutely, once it's done and I'm out on adventures in the mountains and stuff, I'll definitely be doing videos with that. Yeah, it's gonna be pretty awesome. So that way it'll, help with selling the vehicle and, promoting what I'm doing on YouTube. Everybody loves videos. I mean, I hope I can make something that looks good. Not sure if I have the talent for that, but having a really good drone that takes great video and does all the crazy things it can do, I'm hoping that will make up for a lot of my lack of talent, especially since I haven't done videos before. So anyways, that just pops into there like that. Like I said, so that's for my drone. This here. These are Sony wireless headphones, Bluetooth. So, oh, and they're also noise canceling. This wasn't really something that was on my radar too much, but then we had the Amazon Prime Day, and these were, I think, they tried to make it seem like they were a third off, but then as like either after I bought it or as I was gonna buy it, then it actually just seemed it was $50 off, not $100 off. Either way, these had great reviews, and I'm sure they're worth the money. I think I paid $250 for these. And the reason why I got this is because the Humvee is a diesel, and it's not a quiet diesel. I've done car audio my whole life. Well, I mean, on and off my whole life. It's been many years since I've actually worked in the industry, but oh, nice. So it's one of these things where, I know how that goes, and I know the Humvee, it's going to be loud in there, especially when you see other videos online. It's not a quiet vehicle. I will do things for it to where it, some sound deadening stuff, what I can. But unless it's something, you build something like that from scratch with that quietness in its design, it does make it a lot more difficult after the fact. Anyways, yeah, these look really nice. putting them on my ears right now, and boy, they are lightweight. They are absolutely lightweight, and they're very comfortable for sure. Apparently these have 5 microphones. I don't know why you would need 5 microphones, but apparently it has 5 microphones. Then I saw somewhere else where it had 3. You know, what does that really matter? Oh, it has plugs. Oh, so you can just plug it in. I guess you can plug it in directly too. Oh, that's a nice feature to have. Then you got this here. So, okay, I'm not sure what this little guy is for. Why is there 2 jacks? That is not something I'm familiar with. It's probably something really simple that everybody else knows that I'm like, I don't know, I've just never seen it before. Anyway, so that's a nice feature that you can plug it in if you need to. If your batteries go dead, then you can just bypass that. That's actually extremely awesome. That's worth a lot of money right there. So yeah, I got these for the Humvee because it's going to be noisy in there, and you can just have the headphones on and listen to your music and stuff while you're driving. So this way you don't have to go and try to mount speakers and everywhere, and because you know the doors aren't designed for speakers, the interior's not really designed for speakers. I mean, I know the H1 has a sound system and stuff, and I've seen other people do like center console things. I'm not trying to do all that. These have like a 30 hours, I believe, 30-hour battery, if I remember correctly from online. And 30 hours is a very long time. So, anyways, yeah. So it has the Bluetooth, and so you can answer your phone and take phone calls to this. You know, so I mean, I could even wear these when I work, but honestly, with oh yeah, maximum. It says right up here, maximum 30 hours. You know, I could. Oh, actually, it says. Is it okay? Yeah, 30. I can even wear these when I work if I wanted to, but these are pretty nice. I have my DeWalt's, like the little earbuds with the thing that goes around your neck, and those last all day too. This is just strictly for the Humvee and being able to just listen to some really good music, and it has noise canceling as well. Yeah. So I thought those would be an important thing. The one thing I don't know is like, okay, you know, then what if I'm riding with somebody, and you know, then I probably wouldn't be having the headphones on at that point, because that would be kind of rude to have the headphones on and then the other person doesn't. Although I wonder if you can stream music to 2 headphones at once. So, this right here. Now, I don't know on the time frame on this. My other phone would stop at 10 minutes. I don't know if this one stops at 10 minutes, but I think I got about a minute left. So, I got a little bag here for these things. I'll just take out one of these tracks. And, yeah, these are tracks. So if you're getting stuck, then you dig your hole or out, you know, so you can get to your tire, and then you throw these bad boys in there. But these curve around, so when you dig out your hole, this can go inside the hole and then come out of the hole. And it has these metal things here, and I believe these little pins, I think they're, oh man, what's that? Oh, I forget what the material is called for that type of metal. It's like a really strong metal. It starts with the C. if I remember correctly. Anyways, yeah, these things are pretty heavy. And you know what? This is, man, this looks like some nice quality here, really. Oh, I'm still going over 10 minutes. Cool. That 10-minute thing really kind of messed me up a lot of my videos. But I don't know if there's a time frame on this one or not. Anyway, so I can keep going. Yeah, these seem to be pretty nice quality. They didn't cost too much. Oh boy, what were they? Maybe $35 or $45? I don't know, something like that. But it has these the metal lines that go through the channels there and keeps these all together. I mean, they can kind of open up a little bit if they need to, whatever the case, but I think these are 10.5 inches wide or something like that, and then about 40 inches long. I think these will, honestly, I think these will do a great job. And I like how they have like the metal in here, so your tire just won't slip. It'll actually have metal to grab to. They really do seem like they are a very good quality. I honestly, I will go back on there and I will give these a very good review. Well, I mean, obviously I'll want to go and use them out in the field first before I give a review. But first impressions, these are made quite excellent. And they come with a little carrying case as well, which is really cool. Like to have everything all kept nice and tidy. All right, and the last thing, yeah, this is, oh, my thing is too close. All right, that's fine. This will get a little bit of a laugh here, but this is very important when you're out and about, you're up in the mountains camping and whatnot. Fold to go. This is a little toilet. Now in the pictures, well, not on here, but like what I saw online, they had like a little plastic bag to catch the stuff. But you know what? You're out in the mountains. You're in nature. It's not like you need this for doing number one. And number two, just leave it on the ground. I mean, that's nature. Why would you want to go and put it in a plastic bag and then have it in your vehicle and all that? That kind of stuff is supposed to go back to the earth and fertilize. So anyways, yeah, we got a 300-pound capacity. That's not going to be a problem in my case for any reason whatsoever. Yeah. All right. So I really kind of need to have... Okay, so it has like little locking mechanisms for the seat. For the release of the legs. And... all right. That is too close. Yeah, I was trying to keep it up close because of the mess in here, but this is kind of just like the game room with the computers and stuff, and then my roommate's kids. But yeah, so we got this seat here, and we got these legs that actually seem pretty darn solid. Obviously, this is going to move around because it's a plastic table. So these get a little wiggle room here, so they can conform to the ground. But yeah, this was an important thing, and so it was on my list of stuff to get. And these little legs come down right there, and they lock into place here and here. And you kind of give it a little pull up and then down, and it has a little lock down there. This has that catch there. Has a handle. This thing, I think it was $80 or something around there, probably around $80. It's a Reliance. There was a lot of reviews, and it got good reviews, and so I got it. And I'll tell you, that really does seem like a very solid piece of plastic toilet seating. I think that thing's gonna work great. I really do. Would have been nice if this was a little bit curved. I mean, you're going to all this effort to make a mold. This could be a little curved, but I mean, whatever. I mean, you're out in the mountains anyways. Things aren't going to be like they are at home. And that was my other phone getting pulled to the floor. That's awesome. Anyways, so yeah, these the headphones are really nice. They were very lightweight. I'm happy with them. And that concludes things for today. I have, let's see, I have something coming, I think on Friday. So we'll see how it goes when it comes to more videos in the future. But there we go. See you guys next time.